What up, Street Talks? Eric Kim. All right, the thought. Why were the Renaissance artists so good? This is a question that actually befuddles me quite a lot. Is, these guys were like around like 500 years before we were, and how come they're so much insanely superior than us? Good question, right? They didn't have the internet, they didn't have computers and stuff like that. So these are just some of my basic thoughts. So first and foremost, I think the reason why they were so epic is that maybe just because they had fewer distractions. I mean, technology is like a two-blade sword, is that it cuts and it helps us at the same time. Because I know for myself, the best way I could be more quote productive is actually just to cut out distractions in my life. And now that you got a smartphone on you that's pinging all the time, that's probably the most anti-creative productive thing you could do. So pro tip, one thing that I've done to become more productive is just don't have a phone. So once you don't have a phone, you could just actually focus and create things which actually have a meaning and matter to you. And also, I actually do think that they weren't as serious as us. Like, you look at Raphael, look at the selfies he put himself in, look at the pictures of the angels and stuff like that. He didn't actually take himself too seriously. And also, cross-pollinated between arts and physiology, this is the goal.